Well, hello my lovely peeps. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome anyway. I've got some new subscribers, which is wonderful. Thank you very much. In this video I shall be sculpting a set, and I'm using the SBD London forms, and they are amazing. Details in the description box for anyone who's interested in them. I don't get paid to say that or anything. These are forms that I bought myself. I love them. They're just awesome. So on with the sculpting. I'm using a translucent pink to sculpt my nails out, and I always start with the free edge and join it to the free edge of my nail, and then sculpt it down the form to the length that I require or would like. And this is a thin layer because this is just the base to work from. I will work on top of this with the design. I'll leave you to watch me sculpt a couple more nails. I won't show the whole lot, but you know, a couple more nails, and then I will come back in a minute. Apologies for the blurry camera. It's just awkward when you're filming to keep your hands in frame and check that the camera is focusing properly, etc. Just please bear with, because this isn't easy to do, and I am doing my best. Trying to show you as much as possible. There's a dip in the form where it joins my nail bed, and that's because I pointed my forms upwards because I have hooked nails, just in case anyone was thinking I've not placed my form right. I have. It's to counteract the curve of my nails because they hook downwards naturally. And now we're on to the marble. I have taken my forms off, as you can see, and now I am going with a marble. I'm not making it too neat or anything because I will be putting glitter over the top, as you will see later. You can probably see it in the background behind my hand, the tray of glitter there. This is actually Lagoon, if I remember rightly, from Smiley's glitter store. Gorgeous mix. But yeah, let's get this marble going. So as you saw, I did the cuticle area first, and then I'm just literally going in with wet beads and placing them on top of each other and swirling as much as I feel like swirling. Do love a marble. I don't think you can mess up a marble, because unless you really overplay with it. But yeah, no, love a marble. Easy to do, effective, just unique every time. Do love a good marble. The colours that I am using are colours that I have mixed myself, apart from the white. So I can't give you any recommendations on where to get the colours because I mixed them myself. But there are plenty of manufacturers I've put coloured acrylics that you can choose from to get similar colours. Easy enough to do. I'm just adding tiny beads here and there wherever I think they need to go to fill in the rest of the nail, and then use a little bit of clear acrylic and apply some of this gorgeous glitter. I mean, this is a really chunky mix, but it is stunning. I mean, absolutely stunning. Looking back at it now, I think maybe I got a bit carried away with the glitter. Maybe I did put too much on, because I covered up quite a lot of that marble, and the marble was actually really pretty. But yeah, this glitter was stunning, and I just wanted to use loads of it. Oh dear. So I've applied that, and I will allow that to set up before I cap it, to stop that way the glitter won't slip around whilst capping. On the index finger I am going to use white acrylic for the entire nail. So a thin layer, because I am using it as a design, although this acrylic white powder, it can be used as a strength powder. I am just using it as a design powder, so it will just be a thin layer to just get the opaqueness correct. And then yeah, I'll put some other glittery things on top. I'm just trying to get that cuticle area nice and neat. That first bead that I went in with was slightly dry, so that's why I went in with so many other little beads around the cuticle area to make sure it was neat. Now that I've got enough on there, I shall be putting some of these little shell pieces. Well, they're actually really quite large for glitter. They're more like sequins. As you can see, I'm folding it, sort of squishing it, so that it curves with my nail. And you can see I've just pulled that other one off. So I want it to curve over the nail. I don't want them sticking out, because then you'll end up filing them off the edges, and I didn't want to do that. I wanted it fully encapsulated without any missing bits. That's why I folded them and then stuck them into the wet acrylic. And again, leave them to set. Now going on to the thumbnail. Unfortunately, I was out of frame when I was applying the dark blue colour, but as you can see, it's just a full nail of the dark blue colour, and then in with the gorgeous lagoon glitter again. You can see in the background I've got other bits and pieces that I put on my desk, because I wasn't sure how I was going to do this set. I didn't really plan it. I just dug out a load of stuff and went with the flow as I was doing it. Time to cap the nails now. Like capping that little finger first. You always want to make sure when you are capping that all of your glitter that you are encasing that it goes matte. You want it to go matte and no longer be sparkly, because that means that it is well and truly encased into the clear acrylic, and therefore you won't file it away. Don't want to file away all that gorgeousness after we've put it on there. So yeah, but a good layer of clear, protect it all. So I'll just continue on and encapsulate all the nails, and I'll be back when I need to. I should mention as well, because this, you never know who is watching the video and how new they are to nails or not. whilst I'm capping the nails, I am thinking about my shape, my structure. I want to make sure that I've got a good strong apex in, because these are quite long. I mean, in nail tech terms, they're not actually that long, but in average all public person, they are very long. You do want a strong apex in them, not too massive, but excuse me, you do want a good apex in them to protect them from breaking. Gives them that nice strength. So I've filed off camera, and it's time for top coat, and this is Gloss Like a Boss from the beautiful Jess at Beautiful Nails. She doesn't sell it anymore though, unfortunately, but I did get this from her, and it's a very good top coat. Look at that glitter! How stunning is it when you put the top coat on? Oh my goodness, gorgeous. Love this glitter. Stunning. Oh, best part, as usual, top coat those nails when it just, oh, love it. Those shells are so pretty. Do like those. I mean, again, this is a busy set. You guys should be used to me by now. I can't help myself. I always end up doing really busy nails. I get carried away. So I'm not going over my crystals with the gel polish, because the gel polish top coat, should I say. I don't want to lose my beautiful facets, which is what gives the gems, crystals, their sparkle. So I'll use a detail brush to just go in between any gaps and around the edge of them by the cuticle area, just to make sure that they are sealed in very well and I won't lose any. And that's it, my lovelies. So thank you ever so much for watching this video, if you're still here, that is. I've got some pictures at the end, and that's all I have for you. So thank you again for watching, guys. Take care, peeps, and I will speak to you all again soon. Bye for now.